Solving quadratic equations using quadratic formula.
Good morning, students. So for today, I will be showing you how you are going to solve a quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Okay? So let's say we have here a quadratic equation which is x squared plus 10x plus 9 equals to 0. Okay? So ngayon, paano natin ito gagamitan ng quadratic formula? Alright. So these are the steps in solving quadratic equations using quadratic formula. So step 1, make sure that your equation is already on its standard form. So when you say standard form, it should be in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay? Step 2, identify a, b, and c. And step 3, you're going to use the quadratic formula to solve for the value of your x. Okay, so isolve natin ito using the 3 steps. Okay. So step 1, sabi niya, it should be already in standard form. So by looking in our example, x squared plus 10x plus 9 equals to 0, naka-quadratic formula na siya. So no need to transform it. So kopyahin lang natin. X squared plus 10x plus 9 equals to 0. Now let's go to step 2. Identify values of a, b, and c. Okay, from your expression on the left side, we are going to look for a, b, and c. Okay, saan natin makikita si a? Makikita yan sa tabi ni quadratic term, kung ano yung katabi niyang number. So, in here, what is the value of our a? Okay, so we have invisible 1. Ayan, equal to 1. At ang b natin could be found in your x term or linear term. So, what is the number beside your variable x? That is 10. Okay, consider the sign on the left side. That is positive 10. And c could be found on your constant term or last term. So our c here is equals to 9. Yan. Kaya importante na naka-standard form siya. In that way, you could locate or find the values of your a, b, and c. And then step 3, you just use the quadratic formula. Our quadratic formula is x equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay? So, you should be memorizing this one. Yan, para mas masagutan nyo ng maayos to. So, we are just going to substitute these values to your quadratic formula. So first, sabi niya, x equals to negative b. What is our b? That is 10. Yan. So ilalagay mo lang siya dyan, 10. Okay? Then, plus or minus, sabi niya, plus or minus, is square root of b squared. Ang b natin dito ay 10. So, lagay natin dito 10. At naka-squared siya. So, i-square din natin. Okay? Minus 4a. Okay? Ano yung a natin? That is 1. And c. What is our c? That is 9. Okay? Do you follow? divided by 2a. So, copy 2 first. And then, what is a again? That is equals to 1. So, from here, naging ganito. So, using substitution. Okay? Next is just to simplify. Simplify natin ito. So, x equals to negative 10, copy again, plus or minus, ano yung square root of, what is 10 squared? That is 100. Minus, simplify mo to, 4 times 1 times 9 is equals to 36. Divided by 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, and then, simplify na natin. May negative 10 plus or minus, ano yung square root of 100 minus 36? Okay, bibigyan ka niya ng sagot na square root of 64. 100 minus 36 is 64. All over 2. Yan, kasi may 2 ka sa baba. Okay, so simplify ulit natin yung naka-radical sign. So, which will give us an answer of x equals to negative 10 plus or minus, what is square root of 64? Yes, that is 8 divided by 2. Okay? So, ganito yung kanyang magiging itsura when simplified. Okay, but this is not yet the final answer. As you can see in the formula, we have positive and negative. So, therefore, magkakaroon tayo ng 2 values of x. So, ihiwalay natin si positive 8 at si negative 8. Okay? So, pakita ko dito. Okay? So, separate positive and negative 8. So, magiging ganito yung itsura niya. So, una, yung positive 8 muna. So, x equals to, copy, negative 10 plus 8 divided by 2. And then simplify. What is negative 10 plus 8 will give you an answer of negative 2. Divided by 2, that will give you an answer of negative 1. And, on the other side, yung negative 8 naman ang gamitin natin. So, again, copy negative 10 minus 8 divided by 2. X equals to, what is negative 10 minus 8? Negative 18. Divided by 2, and the answer is negative 9. So, the values of x are negative 1 and negative 9. Okay? So that is how you are going to use the quadratic formula.